Hi guys, as we work through our instruction this week, all week long here actually, and we don't have school Friday, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're going to be working through an activity that kind of analyzes boiling water cooling. I know it doesn't sound exciting, but there's a lot going on in there. So we're just going to get started with that today. I'm going to quickly graph these two. Here's exponential growth. Here's exponential decay. We did this last week. I was just kind of ramping you up, preparing you to be able to understand this. Again, if you have to pause it, I'm going to go through quickly, but pause it, catch up, and if you have any questions, stop by office hours. So I'm just going to fill in this information into the tables, and I'm going to graph that information. Okay, going this way. Remember the things we talked about last week, one being this important point here, the y-intercept at 0, 1. And here's exponential growth. The other thing we talked about was this horizontal asymptote, where these points are getting closer and closer and closer to that horizontal asymptote, but never quite reaching there. So just to graph this part real fast, again, pause it if you need to. Stop by my office hours if you have questions. We did this stuff last week. Oh, I goofed up on that. I was in too much of a hurry. So I'm just going to block those out. Let's try this again. Okay, so notice the X's there. I goofed on that. All right, so you notice some similarities and some differences between these two graphs. One's exponential growth, one's exponential decay. I think you can kind of pick out which is which on that. So what you're going to be doing for the rest of this, and to get credit for today's work, is you're going to be answering these questions. Okay, just think about it, write down what you believe and what you see, and we'll talk about and correct anything that we might need to. What you're also going to do on this worksheet is you're going to look up the boiling point of water. Okay, mark those in there, and the freezing point of water. And then the last thing you're going to do for today is click on this video link. I'm putting it in your Google Classroom as well, so you don't have to type this in, but just click on the link. And there's going to be a video of, like I said, boiling water cooling, and you're going to fill in this data. Here's our time in minutes, and here's our temperature. I forget if the video shows Fahrenheit or Celsius. I'm pretty sure it's Fahrenheit. But you're going to have to find on the video where these time values are and put in the temperature values that you're seeing at the time. Okay, and that's today's assignment. Upload it when you're done. Show me that you've taken the time to work through this, and I will give you credit. Okay, have a good day, everybody.